Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the language on a Canon Pixma MG7753. Now this is nice and simple, we've done from the printer itself, using nothing but the touchscreen you can see here. Now, although my printer is currently set into English, I'm going to make any button presses and actions I take very clear so you can follow it regardless of what language your printer's in and what language you'd like it changed to. So, I'm going to drag our screen along to the right until setup is exposed with the screwdriver and pliers symbol. Just go into that. And then we need to go into device settings, which is the second option down, represented with these little slider jobbies here. So, press into that. And language selection is the fifth option down. You can see it just kind of poking over there with a slight gradient. And drag that up, press to go into it. Now, English is close to the top option. There's only one above it, but it's a touchscreen again, so you can just drag until you find the language you desire. But if you want it in English, just keep dragging down. It'll stop when it gets to the top. In English, it's the second one down. With that pressed, the language is changed and you can carry on using your printer. Now, I hope you found this useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.